Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to use floating window on Samsung C55 5G device. Well, floating windows enhance productivity by enabling users to perform tasks such as replying to messages, checking emails, taking notes, or browsing the web without exiting the current app or interrupting the workflow. Floating windows also contribute to an enhanced user experience by providing a flexible and intuitive way to interact with multiple apps simultaneously, improving usability and convenience. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. Well, first thing first, you have to go to the settings on your device. Okay, after that, scroll down and select Advanced Features menu. Well, after that, find out Multi-Window and click to open. And then on this page, you must activate Swipe for Pop-Up View. This feature allowing you to use floating window on your device. Okay, so the way to use it, simply swipe from the top corner toward the middle of the screen like this. Okay, so if you want to close it, touch and hold this blue line, then drag it to remove option below. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to use multi-window on Samsung C55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you!